Hello, we shall be discussing on the topic urine formation. Urine formation involves three steps. The first step is glomerular filtration, the second step is reabsorption, and the third is tubular secretion. We shall be discussing on the first step, that is the glomerular filtration. Glomerular filtration is the first step in the urine formation, and it involves the filtration of blood. And this filtration of blood is initiated by the cell of the glomerulus. On the average, around 1100 to 1200 ml of blood is filtered by the kidney per minute every day. The glomerular capillary blood pressures causes the filtration of the blood through three layers, that is the endothelium of the glomerular blood vessels, the epithelium of the Bowman capsule, and the basement membrane. Now, the epithelial cells of the Bowman capsules are called as the podocyte cells, and these podocyte cells help in the formation of minute space in the filtration membrane. So these minute space that are formed by the podocyte cells of the Bowman capsules are called as the filtration slits or slit pores. So through these slit pores, the filtration of blood takes place, and almost all the constituent of the plasma except the protein pass into the lumen of the Bowman capsule. Therefore, the filtration in these glomerulars is also called as ultrafiltration. Now, the amount of the filtrate formed by the kidney per minute is called as the glomerular filtration rate, and in healthy individual, the glomerular filtration rate is formed approximately around 125 ml per minute. In human, the kidney have an inbuilt mechanisms for the regulation of this glomerular filtration rate. One such mechanism is carried out by the juxtaglomerular apparatus. This juxtaglomerular apparatus is a sensitive regions that is formed by the modifications in the distal convoluted tubules and the efferent arterioles at the location of their contact. So when the glomerular filtration rate decreases, the activity of these juxtaglomerular cells releases the enzyme called as the renin, and this renin stimulates the glomerular blood flows, which thereby increases or bring the glomerular filtration rate back to its normal. Let's discuss on the second step is the tubular or selective reabsorption. Tubular reabsorption or selective reabsorption. By ultrafiltration, many useful substances also get filtered out into the glomerular filtrate along with the excretory products. All of these are selectively reabsorbed by the capillary network that is surrounding the proximal convoluted tubules, the loop of Henle, and the distal convoluted tubules through osmosis or by active absorption. Now, the tubular epithelial cells in different segments of the nephron also perform either active or passive absorption mechanisms. For example, substances like glucose or amino acids in the filtrate are being reabsorbed by active absorption mechanisms, whereas the nitrogenous waste in the filtrates are reabsorbed again by the passive absorption mechanisms. So the reabsorption of water also occurs passively in the initial segment of the nephron. Now, the third step is the tubular secretion. During urine formation, the tubular cells secrete substances like sodium, like hydrogen ion, potassium, and the amino into the filtrates. As the reabsorption of these substances takes place, the active transport into the tubules also occur, and these are secreted by the tubule into their lumen and form a part of the urine. Now, this tubular secretion also plays an important role in the urine formation, as it helps in the maintenance of ionic and acid-base balance of the body fluids. So this is all about urine formation.